Hey guys, what's up? Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a 2019 Sea Ray 23 SPX with an outboard on it. This boat is a fantastic boat for getting out on the water for the day with the family. With all the seating it has and different lounging layouts, different accessories like the ski pylon built in, and a 200 horse outboard. This boat will give you the ability to do really anything you're looking to do. Let's hop up inside and I'll show you what it looks like. Starting at the stern on the 23 SPX here, we've got a convenient walk-through to access the swim patio. You've got a big lounger, sun lounger, that's convertible as well. You can flip this up and make a big backrest. It also opens with the pull of a button with hydraulics to give you access to all the storage in there, which is where the inboard engine would typically go. You've got big wraparound seating, dedicated cooler under the seat for easy access, seating on port side as well as a captain's chair on the port. You've got an access door that'll give you plenty of room for storage, or you can even put a head in there. At the helm we've got another captain's chair, stainless steel gauges and bezels, waterproof fusion radio. Everything's very convenient, easy to use. Moving forward, we've got big bow seating area, 2 loungers, one facing rearward, additional speakers, and your center cushion here pops up to reveal a step to board on and off the bow. This is a great all-around family boat, seating up to 13. Bring all the friends and family with and have a fun day out of the sandbar. If you guys have any questions, give me a call. Nick Hutchinson.